If you don't know, say it's your boy Nathan.
And the girl CC.
Yeah, guys, I don't know, say yo. From
Talk
where do you
more
want to
louder.
see? When you see, when you see what I go on from where do you guys? You see
Yeah.
me? So, guys, the whole of that, none of that is true. The whole of that was a prank, you see me?
Prank.
Because someone
Yeah.
know say a prank and someone who never know. You see
Yeah.
me? For who get prank, yeah, it was a prank. Because when I go and like say, yo, we can't prank.
Yeah, we not go like when you can't get
Yeah.
prank.
You see
So,
me? So,
just say we are gonna come up with the idea and say like a prank on stuff. Guys, it was all a prank.
Yeah.
Nothing what we say is not true. Nothing is not
yeah,
true.
guys, so anybody will feel like say, yo, something goes up for real, nothing no goes up.
Yeah.
A prank. You see me?
And really want to big up King and Shay again. Mr. Nice, big up yourself. King and Shay, really appreciate everything you guys bring me so far. And
Yeah. If the people, some of the people, them feel like say a real thing and
yeah,
you see me?
come out.
You don't want nobody here, them feel look on King and nobody
What,
because nothing no go so. And people don't know King.
We don't know a King now go do that, you understand me?
Yeah. So no.
Yeah.
So basically guys, that was all a prank. So anybody will get pranked.
You just get pranked, you get pranked, guys. Everybody get pranked.
You see me? So right now guys,
I don't know
we're there at St. Thomas guys, as you can see.
We are home, guys.
In the background and thing.
Yeah.
Different. So guys, right now want to know say yo back at it.
Again. So
stay tuned in idea. We are dropping next video in idea. You see me, people?
yeah guys, and just look out for that. Please remember guys to keep on supporting CC and Nathan.
Yeah guys, make sure you like the video,
just
share.
keep on giving the full support. Me asking you please guys, don't give up on we. So just keep on support. Like, share our video them guys. Share it out to your friends, to your family, to everybody. All what you want to just share it out guys.
Yeah people, because you know say yo we're there out here back again.
Yes. We're back at it again.
You see me people, so just
and we're not telling us say we're back at it again and we are come with no look foolishness. We are telling about real shit. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. You see me guys,
real
so
thing.
the video is not go too long, you see me, so just
go and big up on yourself guys.
Yeah.
Sister and Nathan love you. King and Shay big up on yourself.
Fully, yeah.
Always.
You see me.
And we love you.
Yeah,
Love you everybody.